What's up, everybody? I'm Lockouts, and in this video, we got, actually, I didn't get it. My wife got this for me for Christmas. This is a Christmas present for me. I build houses for a living, and I use tools all the time. I build all the stuff that you guys see that's around here. So I love DEWALT tools, and she picked this up for me. So this is the DEWALT Atomic Compact Series. This is the 20 volt that comes with 2 batteries, a carrying case, and a quick charge. This is compatible with 180 different plus of their products, and this is supposed to be the smaller version of the drill driver combo set that they have, because it's the compact version. It's more for like fitting up underneath cabinetry into tighter areas and that type of stuff. So we're gonna unbox it and see how cool the little guy is. Check this out.
Won't you do a favor for me? Take your mouse and click the button. Won't you subscribe to me? Lockouts providing the content that you see. I'm visually stimulating your mind 1 minute at a time.
All right, let's see what's in the box. Get there. Got it right here. Maybe. Go. So this is gonna be exciting, because this is all packaged up in one little itty bitty briefcase box like that. Well, that makes it simple, quick, and easy. So it comes already packaged in its own little bag that you can see right here. Isn't that wonderful? My other drills have their own bag too. And when you open it up, you have the very first thing. This is going to be a belt clip so that you could clip this onto your belt right here. And this will attach to your drill. You just screw a little thing in there right there, and then this will clip onto your belt. And then you could, you know, if you're going up and down ladders or whatever, you could have this clipped onto your belt. And the next thing that you have is your warranty guide, your instruction manual, all that stuff. And then the very next thing that you'll see is the way that it is packaged in here. So down here in the bottom, you have your 2 batteries and your quick charge. Let's pull it all out of here. So here's your quick charge first. Voila. Beautiful, beautiful. Got your done or charging LEDs right here, or it'll turn red if it's not actually charging. And then the next thing we have is the 2 batteries. And I'm sure that these come with a little bit of charge. They always do. And I recommend running these down after you plug these into your drill for the very first time, because they do come with a little bit of charge. To run them down all the way down to almost nothing, and then plug it in and charge it completely full, both of them, and you'll get a very good charge that's on your battery afterwards. Now the batteries themselves, they do not have a monitor to where you could like actually hit the button and see how much charge is actually on these batteries. They're a lower end battery, but the cool thing is you get 2 of them. So when one wears down, you got the other one. And now what we've all came here to see, the drill. Compact, DEWALT quality, so you know it's got some good weight to it. You can feel the motor, the magnets, all that stuff that's in the top of it feels very good. Feels nice. I like it. Everything's nice and smooth. Got good grips. So I have I got some DEWALT tips that we'll see right here. We'll test these out and we'll see exactly how it looks with the smaller drill. So this is going to be just a quick little guide right here that you can throw your screw into right here, and then you slide your guide up and it'll hold your screw that's in there without you having to actually hold on to it, and you can drive with 2 hands. What we'll do real quick is we'll throw it into here, and then you got that nice locking feature, and then you have your torque adjustment that's on the top right here, so that you can have it just drill drive. You can turn it down so that a thinner piece of wood or metal or something like that, and you don't want to split it, and you don't want to drive the screw all the way into it. You could, you know, set your depth gauge right here, or actually the torque. You could set the torque of the drill for however much you want. Usually though, I don't do that, and I just crank mine all the way up. And then you have your speeds right here. This is kind of like your 4 high and 4 low in your truck. This is going to be your high gear, and then your 2 is going to be your low gear. So you'll just take your battery, insert your battery into the drill, pop her in there. There's your low gear right there, number 1. Bam. High gear, number 2. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. And that's the thing with these guides right here. These things are priceless. You can put your screw again in there, slide that out. It'll hold the screw for you, and then you got your slide. So it comes with a little bit of, it comes with a light right here that turns on. There is no light that's down here. The reason being, this is the atomic version. You're gonna be using a lot of this upside down and stuff like that. So by having this, having the light right here, that's kind of cool. I like it, definitely, definitely. And we're gonna be using this a lot, and we're gonna be doing some modifications to our barn that's in here. We have some deck work that we have to do, and you know, I have lots of other DEWALT drills and other tools and things like that. And this is just gonna go into my collection, and I'm very excited to actually have it. So if you guys wanted to know where this actually goes right here, this will screw into this little screw that's right here, and it goes like this. And then you could just clip this onto your, you probably actually want it upside down here like this actually. And then this will hang into your belt loop like that. And then you could go up and down ladders and stuff like that. So this is gonna be the atomic version. This is a brushless motor that's in this too. So it's a 20-volt brushless motor. And there is one little light that's down here that's on the bottom. And you know, you have your forward, your reverse. You have all your different torque settings right here. You have your high and your low gear. And you have 2 batteries, and it comes with a quick charge. On top of all that, it also has its own little, you know, DEWALT suitcase. So if you guys like this stuff like I do, I definitely do. All right, guys, so if this has helped you make a decision on whether or not you want to pick this guy up right here, I definitely recommend anything DEWALT. This is the atomic version. It's a little bit smaller. You still get all the same horsepower. You get 2 batteries with it, a quick charge. So, I mean, you really can't go wrong for the price. I do believe my wife got this from Canadian Tire. I live here in Nova Scotia in Canada, but you know, again, it's going to be completely up to you guys where you guys live. If you can find this on sale, if it's not on sale where you guys are, if you guys live around a Canadian Tire, if you guys are in Canada or something like that, try to make sure that they do go on sale. I don't know exactly how much it is that you paid for this, because I got it for a Christmas present, so I actually got it for free. I mean, theoretically. So, you know, if it was me and I seen it up there and it was for a good price, I definitely would have picked it up, because, you know, I like all things that may have motors and go fast and light up and do all kinds of spectacular stuff. So if this has helped you guys make a decision, or if you guys like the DEWALT drills, or if you guys just enjoyed the video, please do all the things to help me out. You know, smash all the little buttons around there. Like, follow, subscribe. I'm Lockouts. Peace.
Won't you do a favor for me? Take your mouse and click the button. Won't you subscribe to me? Lockouts providing the content that you see. I'm visually stimulating your mind 1 minute at a time.